Thanks for catching the replay. Type replay if you are watching the replay, and type live if you're watching me live. This morning I am going to excuse me. This morning I'm going to show you all how to do some layering, because I know that was asked about before on how to layer colors. We do have some transfers that have multiple pieces that layer on top of each other, and I kind of want to show you how that works. So give me a minute here while I share this. Hope everyone's having a happy Wednesday. How is the weather where you are at? I know there's a bunch of crazy stuff going on with the weather. It definitely snowed here and ice, and it's definitely cold. I went outside to take the trash out. It's definitely cold, but I don't think it's anything too crazy. Like, no one's gonna die. Not here anyways. So yeah, so let me know what the weather's like where you're at. Let's see. Yeah, so there was actually another transfer I wanted to do. So let's see what you guys think. I'm just going to share this really quick. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but there's not. Okay, so I also have this one that I love. It is a truck. So you do the bottom part first, and then you layer this on top, so that this part gets filled in with a color. I love this truck because it comes with, or not comes with, but they have a bunch of different transfers that are like add-ons. Like for instance, like you can put a bunch of flowers in the back of the truck, or you could put apples in the back of the truck. Like they have a bunch of different like pieces that go with it, which I think is super fun. And for Christmas, they also did, instead of just this blank piece, they did a plaid piece of the truck. So it was cool because you could put that down, and then this part would be plaid. So I do like that one. I also have this one that I was thinking of doing. It says I can do hard things. And so it has this other piece that you can see that makes this filled in with a different color. So that's fun too. So either one of those. What I'm first going to show you, if you haven't seen this before, I've done this live once before, but I love showing this to you guys because I think it's so cool. My second cup of coffee. Okay. So I use just these wet wipes from Target. You can use the Clorox wipes or even just a wet washcloth. We also have erasers, which actually work really amazing to clean the to wash your transfers. It takes the ink right off of it, but they look like this, and they're erasers. You just get them wet and rub it on there. So those ones are awesome, but they also work great to clean the transfers. That's what I use them for. I literally have one that sits by my utility sink, and I use it to clean all my transfers. I can't tell if I hear the baby crying or if she's just talking. I think she's just talking. Okay, so I want to show you how cool this is. So this is our chalk paste. I made this a couple of days ago. The cool thing about it is, look, like I can rub with my hand, and there's nothing on my hand. It's not gonna come, my design's not gonna come off. So it dries like a chalk. However, like chalk on a school chalkboard where you can just go like this with your hand and there's white dust everywhere. It doesn't do that. But the cool thing is I want to use this board because I want to do another design. So the cool thing is I can remove it. Like I can remove chalk. So you literally just take a wet towel or, like I said, the erasers work amazing. Or a wet wipe, and you literally just start in a circular motion and it just comes off. And it doesn't leave any ghosting or anything like that, so you can't see like, oh, the previous design, you know, like sometimes on a chalkboard where you can see what was previously written there. Here you cannot. So comes off perfectly, cleans the chalkboard very nicely so that I can put a fresh design on it. As you can see, I'm going to dry it off. As you can see, look, it's a brand new chalkboard. No ghosting. You can't see where it said I like to chalk pretty things. You can't see that, so it's awesome. All right, give me 1 second. I need to go check on baby. Okay, she's just laughing. Oh man. Okay. So I am going to do the I Can Do Hard Things. I'm actually working on a piece that I can't wait to show you guys in my home gym. So I can do it that way or this way. I actually think I want to do it this way. So I'm going to do this piece first. And got to make sure that I have it in a good place. I want it centered. So going to peel this guy off. Center it. Make sure it's on there. All right, and I'm gonna use Couture Coral. So this is the color I'm gonna use for this part. Awesome. My other squeegees I was using them last night. So we're gonna use this guy. Stir it up a bit. The other thing I wanted to quickly tell you guys about is I want to do a special for those of you who have been watching my lives. I've had some pretty consistent viewers, and I want to do something special for you. So if you mention this, reach out to me and mention this, that you heard this on my live. But I'm going to do a board. It's a 10 by 10 inch board. I will show it to you in 1 second. I'm going to do that with your choice of a 8 by 10 transfer and some sample paste. I'll give you a few different colors. Let's do five different colors. So 5 different colors of paste singles, and I'll show you what those look like. Here's an example of black. And the cool thing about these is I have literally scraped these out. There is enough in here to do, like, you'd be surprised how much ink is in here, or paste, I mean. So anyway, so we'll give you 5 different colors. Of those, I will give you a 10 by 10 board and a transfer, 8x10 transfer, and a squeegee. I'm gonna do that for you guys for 20 bucks. That was a really good deal. And you're able to try this out without having to make a huge commitment right away and like buy a bunch of these jars or anything like that, or a bunch of transfers and stuff. You can try it out, tell me what you think, so that you can either move forward as a customer or you can join my team as a designer, which is so much fun. Oh, and let me just do a quick shout out and let you guys know that if you sign up as a designer, anything that you purchase, you get a 40% discount. So that's like insanity. So it's awesome. Yeah. So, okay. So what I do when I'm layering is put down the first layer, and then I have this heat gun. Now you can also use a hair dryer, but what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's dry. So I'm gonna dry this, and this heat gun like does not take long at all to dry. Now the reason why I need it to dry is because I don't want the transfer that I'm putting on top to peel this paint off. If it's still wet, it's gonna get stuck on there and rip it off. Okay, so let me touch it, make sure. Looks like it's still a little bit wet. All right, and if you don't have a heat gun or a hair dryer, you can also let it sit and dry, which is annoying because you want to finish a project, and if you have to wait for it to dry, I have no patience for that. So, okay, so yeah, so now you can see this is dry now. So now I can go ahead and put this color on top. Or color, this transfer, I mean. So now I'm gonna line this up with the pink that I just did, or the coral, if you will. There we go. And I'm gonna do this one in the Couture Teal, which looks like this. And now if I wanted to get real fancy, I could do this in a different color, these in different colors. But I'm just gonna go ahead and go over it with this. So yeah, so don't forget, so for 20 bucks, like that's a really good deal. If you message me and you're interested, let me know that you watched this live. And yeah, a 10 by 10 chalkboard, a 5 singles, different colors, and a squeegee. Oh, and an 8 by 10 transfer. So for 20 bucks, that is a steal. So, but I love you guys so much. So, and I want to, the people that have been watching clearly are interested, so I want to give you an opportunity to try this out if you wanted to. So that's going on. Let me get the rest of this off, and then we're ready to peel. And I'll show you the 8 by 10 transfers that you can choose from as well. So, okay, now we're ready to peel and reveal. There you go. See how that does that? So now we have layered colors. See that? Isn't that cool? So I wanted to show you guys how to layer, because there's several transfers that you can layer, and it's pretty cool the way that that works. And really quick, let me show you that board that I'm going to offer you. Looks like this. It's a 10 by 10 board, and it's got 2 holes in it because it comes with a string and you can hang it up. So it's really cute board. And then, like I said, you'll get the transfer, and we'll decide together on 5 single colors that you can get also. So $20 for that. That's like a really good deal. Okay, well, thank you guys for joining me today. I know this was a quick one, but I really wanted to show you guys layering. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. And oh, hi Erica. Man, you are such a loyal watcher. I'm about to sign off now. I just finished doing layering, so if you want to rewatch the replay, because I know you asked about, I think you asked about layering colors. So I just made this, and so if you wanted to see how that works. And I can show you some other transfers designs that we have that do the layering effect. It's pretty cool. So, all right, well, good to see you, and I hope the weather's not too bad where you're at. Actually, where are you at? Where are you watching me from? Okay. Well, let me know. But I'm about to sign off. Baby girl needs me, so I will hopefully see you guys again tomorrow. This has been real fun. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.